You doing a video?
Yeah.
Hey y'all.
Wait, this way.
Oh. I don't know where I was going.
Saying that I needed that for my recipe. I don't think none of these.
Girl, her ass been drunk for days. Look at your cousin.
You're not supposed to be jumping up here.
Wow, not he in your lap.
Jazz, get down. Up. You have to go outside? Oh, you haven't taken him out yet.
Michelle,
Bitch, because I've been trying to, but he just runs in the cage.
it's 1 o'clock.
First name, and then you decide on what it is that you want to say. Girl, you're trying to find a special one. Jazz, bring your ass. Hey, how are you? Hey, I'm good, enjoying. First, girl, that's lame. Erase that. Yo, I can't stand this fucking bitch. She don't fucking listen.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna comment on something off the fucking map, bitch.
And the bathroom came out. Y'all, so I'm about to call Amber because it is now almost 4. I was gonna say AM. 4 p.m. and we still haven't decided on what we're gonna do.
Hi, Auntie.
Did I wake you up, Auntie?
Girl, no, I didn't. I told you to call back at 2:30, but you did.
Oh, I didn't hear you say that. I was like, maybe she was trying to get some Z's, so I was just gonna let her sleep.
I gotta go to. Auntie gotta go to work. Ain't nobody trying to be up tonight. This brunch and axe throwing on Sunday. I said a real, true motherfucking love language.
Extra, bro. It's hard.
Agreed. Being an only child was lonely. Maybe for us.
And get away. Get 0% APR, 0 payments for 90 days, and up to 1,000 bonus cash on select vehicles. Hurry now.
That's a long time.
So y'all, as y'all know, your girl made pasta noodles. My first attempt was the noodles were I never can talk. My first attempt for the noodles were a fail. I feel like they were too thick. And then the other, I'll probably like put it in a clip so you guys can see how the noodles turned out. I was gonna show y'all the whole shebang, but I personally think it didn't really look appetizing with the sauce, like the sauce. I don't know. So I'm just gonna have to redo it again for y'all one day. I'm just chilling. I ate some spaghetti and I'm just watching TV and sipping some sweet wine, something that I don't usually do because I'm a Cabernet type of gal, if you guys know. Oh, let me tell y'all something. So this wine that I got put on, I don't even know why I even have it sitting over here anymore, but y'all, the apple pie wine, this stuff is so good. I think this weekend I'm gonna try to like stock up, or I'm even gonna go on Total Wines and I'm probably just gonna stock up because that's really, really good wine. And like I said, I'm not a really big person on sweet wine. That's not really what I go for, but that wine is actually really good. And I think you can actually even drink it for like a summer or springtime drink too. It's just real fresh and like clean tasting. So make sure y'all get your hands on the Apple Pie by Oliver wine. Let me show y'all. This wine right here.
Somebody, meet somebody, you know, that's interested in something. She could go there and find out.
Why not just, I was like, I seen it online.
And as long as she ain't out there, she'll find out.
Man, as you know, she be thinking she doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah. Not because they want to take you out.
Happens with people.
Because she got them hoish what people, girl. She gonna be picked up on something. This going down. She be crying on one of them commercials.
So what's up, y'all? Today is January 7th, Saturday. Amber is coming over and I'm gonna make my all-time favorite meal. It's super simple, super easy because she's vegetarian. So my girl don't eat no meat. So I'm like, damn, well, You can't go wrong with tomato soup and a grilled cheese. I'm gonna have ham on my sandwich because you know a girl loves some meat. So I'm preparing that right now. And yeah, we're just gonna kick it today. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys one thing that I got from the store. I seen these smoked. Let me show y'all. These smoked sausages. And I was like, these are probably really, really good. So I can't wait to try these for a snack. Is this pizza sauce or I don't know. So y'all, next up, I'm gonna add some of this bouillon. This is gonna give my soup some flavor.
Boy, Jazz, you're the goodest boy I know. You are the goodest boy. You are. I love you.
You're acting like this. Amber's here! The drinks.
Period.
How was the drive?
It was terrible. I would never, ever live out here. 50 minutes? Jesus Christ. On freeway, no street light.
It's not that bad though.
I wore my glasses because I know that I wasn't going to be able to see because of my stigmatisms. But same way. No bed though.
That's what I'm saying. You should get a bed.
Girl, no, she pissed on the last one. I'm not about to keep on spending money on her. Terrible. Pee-pee pad it is.
So you guys, it's a late Christmas today. Well, this is a candle, right?
What are you doing? Oh my God! Wait. I'm with Michelle. She opening your present. Okay. Well, oh God, she hung up. Hold on. Oh. Okay.
Yes. Move.
Oh, look at your gap is closing. You cutie.
This is very good gift wrapping, Bree, I have to say.
Listen, I tried my best.
That's cute.
That's really cute.
It was for Christmas, so it's a holiday themed one.
Oh, champagne toast.
Did you see the ribbon? It's the aesthetic.
No, I didn't.
What not you just tore it open? Oh my God.
It said Merry Christmas.
You don't appreciate shit.
Amber, yes I do.
Did you even smell it?
Yes.
Did the people see her smell it?
Oh, I haven't even showed y'all. My bad. We have a baking set because your girl baked some cupcakes about a couple months ago and it tastes like Setzler water. So I guess that's my Betty Crocker situation. We have champagne toast. This is a really, really popular candle.
Yeah, I know. It's giving basic bitch, but not basic.
It smells good. I like it. I don't know
Keep
why
the
I like
ribbon
it.
too.
Huh?
Keep the ribbon.
Okay, yes. I will keep it on there.
Michelle, please.
I'm gonna be struggling with some
Oh,
coffee.
it's really simple, you nutbag.
Use a tongue scraper on her.
I tried to pick the plaque and everything. It's really bad.
Really?
Yeah,
They
girl.
say sometimes some dogs are just.
Got bad breath.
Yeah, look at
She's
this
one of them. You got good teeth.